So you can give God a gift, but He had it already. You have it on trust. You're a steward. You're a manager. That's what life is. The parable of the talents. He calls one, you get 5, you get 2, you get 1. Now go out and do business for the master. But he owns it. And it's his. We give thee but thine own. Keep forever such purposes in our hearts. So even the will to give was a gift from God. Yes, we give Him prayers. Yes, we give Him praise. Yes, we give Him our lives. And He owns it all already. So that there is no negotiating here. No bartering. No trading. No buying Him off. This is what's so wrong about legalism. This is what's so wrong about works religion. Like, I'm going to do for you, and now you do for me because I did for you. You can't ever put Him in your debt. You're always in debt to Him. Always. Forever. And you go deeper every minute of eternity. Isn't that glorious? Oh, to grace, how great a debtor daily I'm constrained.